Hi, this is Edie Osborne, and it's time for Level 5 in 5. This will be a very quick overview of the Level 5 framework that we use for advisory work. The Level 5 framework is based on the idea that we not only want to be accurate, but we also want to be relevant. And at a recent thought leaders discussion, 60% of the thought leaders felt that being relevant was the #1 issue facing the profession. So for those of you that are interested in being a trusted business advisor, or maybe you already consider yourself one, then this framework is going to give you a repeatable process that you can leverage to all of your clients, and all of your team members can engage on various levels. But first, let's just quickly go through the levels and what they mean. First of all, Level 1. Level 1 is the technical foundation. This is where we get everything accurate, the write-up, the accounting work, the tax work, and as important as that is, and as core as it is to the CPA firm's offerings, it is a commodity, and it's difficult for firms to add value at Level 1. Level 2A is where we take that financial information and we bring it to life. We work on helping the client understand more about what the key ratios mean in their business, and more specifically, what to do to improve those key ratios. Level 2B is about conducting what-ifs. This is looking for the lost opportunities of the past and starting to guide us towards some planning in the future. If you think of Level 1 as being hindsight, Level 2 is all about insight. And so we do a lot of what-ifing. What if you collected your money faster? What if you held your margins? What if you grow another 20% this year? What are the cash demands on the business going to be? In short, what Level 2 is all about is helping the client figure out where they are today and what they could be doing to do better going forward. Level 3 is all about goals. It's their personal goals and their business goals, making sure that those are aligned, and also getting a clear view of what's important to that client. This makes all the reporting that we do at Level 1 that much more relevant. If we can provide financial information within a context of the client's goals, both business and personal, then we've solved the problem of relevance. Level 4 is where we take those goals and we actually link them to performance. And this is all about KPI development. We take the big picture goals and we chunk it down into specific activities that are going to have an impact on our ability to achieve those goals. We put measures around those and we cascade those measures throughout the organization. We don't just look at them from an owner's perspective or a manager's perspective, but the beauty of the measurement process is the more you can engage people in their own measures, get them to be looking at their numbers and see that as feedback and not criticism, but really to help them figure out what they need to do to improve their work experience and work life. So Level 4 is about taking the big picture, breaking it down into specific activities that can be measured. We're looking for line of sight for individuals to understand how their behavior impacts the bottom line. We're also looking for metrics that are going to give us a really good indicator as to whether or not we're on target to achieve our goals. Level 5 is continuous improvement, and this is where we take all the information gleaned from Level 4 and we routinely review it within the context of, again, Level 3, which is the bigger picture. Are we on target? Are we measuring the right things? Do we need to adjust strategy? And as you can imagine, as the economy shifts, as their business needs shifts, as their industry shifts, clients are going to be looking to you to help them continually revise and update their metrics at Level 4. So this is a continuous loop. We start at Level 1, technical foundation. Level 2, what do those numbers really mean? What do we need to do to improve them? Level 3, what are our big picture goals? Level 4, how do we get to those goals? We've got to identify the specific activities that are going to get us there, put it in a dashboard, feedback to everybody on the team, and then Level 5 is continuously improving on those metrics, looking for ways to add value to the client, add value to the team, and improve our operations. So in a nutshell, there it is. Those of you who like to cut to the chase, this is your explanation of Level 5. I have a more detailed explanation of Level 5 that you'll find a link for if you want a little bit more detail and even more explanation in our Level 5 deep dive. So thanks for checking in today, and Level 5 in 5, done.